also go to Hardsville High School. I'm in 9th grade currently with him.
Yeah, my name's Ashwatthama, and I'm 15 years old, and I'm part of Hardsville High School. I'm also part of FTC. Our team is Codebreakers. FTC stands for First Tech Challenge. So what we do is we build and we do these tasks, these challenges with these robots that we build. And we build them using aluminum, plastic, stuff like that. And we code them with Java. And what we're planning to do tonight is we're planning to inspire these kids to take up robotics.
So I was really interested in programming, and to me, I was intrigued by the idea of combining programming with something physical like a robot. And I wanted to see those two put together and how it would run in like the real world.
Yeah, he and me, we did coding in our free time, and that's how I first got inspired with coding. And with coding, the first real connection I sort of made to FTC was the engineering aspect. I was already interested in engineering, and I'm really interested in physics, and so to see that sort of connection play out, and to see how like coding can combine with physics to help do something good for people, or help inspire young children to code or learn something new is really exciting for me. All these first challenges, they also build leadership and teamwork skills. So in all these first challenges, like FLL and FTC, they'll be learning to build with teamwork. They'll build their character and they'll build teamwork skills. First of all, we're developing sort of teamwork skills. We're learning to work together as a team better, and also we're learning like very cool things about engineering. And I learned to build things that I could have never imagined that I could build before. Also, like, there's a very high job outlook for computer science, for computer programmers, and for the software field. And by inspiring people to take up robotics.
When that first starts, you can hear it builds in noise that you can tell the RPMs are increasing. And because the projectile is heavier than the actual shooter wheels, it has to build up a lot of momentum and spinning in order to be able to shoot it as far as it would.
Go to the diving first, sorry. Pretend like they're long.
What's your goal for tonight? How many kids do you want? What's your number? How many kids do you want to get? All of them.
Yeah, we're hoping to see a spark in each and every one.